Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will unbox this Tuscany Leather Firenze by Domini Leather. So I ordered it in Domini Leather website, and it's a crossbody and a backpack. It's two, and it's sophisticated. The first one is Austria. The good thing of this bag is not too expensive, that it's break your bank, and it's very good material. It's made from hammered leather lined with polyester, which is good to clean, rigid structure with single compartment, and it's includes with pocket and backside convenient access. So it's very convenient because they have a straps that you can adjust for shoulder bags or crossbody bag, and it's included with that price. It's very elegant with golden hardware, and the closure of mechanism is very nice, equipped with metal twist lock for secure closure, and with the dust bag too. And the size of this one is very nice. I really like it. It's not too big, and it's detachable and adjustable leather shoulder strap for versatile carrying options, and it's very classic and very simple, which is I love. And I've been looking for like a brown or cognac color, so this is a cognac color, not heavy. It's very just really good in the weight, and it's very versatile, that additional in your or addition in your wardrobe. So let's check it, this one. And they have this certificate, like the information of this bag and the craftsmanship. So this is like a authentic leather certificate that it's includes with this bag. And they have the zipper there. They have a brand logo there in the zipper, and there's the Tuscany leather in the back, which is very simple, and that's it. It's not so busy and like big names on the bag. So I've been changing my bags this time. I want only like plain one and sophisticated and classic. And this bag is only 150 US dollars, but I have discount for 20% discount, and it's very nice, the customer service too. And yeah, this is the one that I said, that's a certificate of the leather. And now let's check it out and how it's look like. And look at the zipper in the side, which is very functional if you put your passport there. And the inside is with the lining with polyester, that it's very easy to clean. This one that I like. And the metal closure, it's very easy. Let's take out the plastic first, and you just slide it right or left, and it's very good. This one is very nice material, and the functionality is very nice. And the good thing is they have closure, and it's very nice too, which is very safety. And they have included with the strap, and same inside with the material with the polyester lining. And they have Tuscany leather and handmade, made in Italy. It's very, see, it's very nice. The all the like buckle and everything, zipper is very good material, which I love. And it's not too heavy, this bag, but there's a weight on it. I'm just wanna let you know. But I really love this one, guys. I know this is not too expensive, but it's as long as real leather, I'm good with it, and it's very good in craftsmanship. And I need to put the buckle with the strap. And the good thing of this strap too is you can adjust it with a shoulder bag, crossbody, so you can, it's a versatile bag, as I'm saying. And I can measure this one too, and they have their brand there, the logo, which is very nice and very simple. And yeah, this is how it look like, guys, with the strap. And you can adjust with the holes there, so I think 5 holes. And we can measure it too. 50 inches the strap, the length of the strap holder, and the height of the bag is 6.3, and the length is 10.04 inches. This is in inches. And width is 2.7, and weight is 3.42 pounds. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I'm really in love with the front buckle, very simple. So this is the Astria bag. So let's open or unbox the second bag that I bought, Italian leather handbag backpack named Celine. So this is it's one of the best seller. It's 221 and 76 cents US dollars. I got this color taupe. It's a very nice color. And it's a bit big, this one. Frame bag, backpack, composition is hammered leather, polyester lining, same, semi-rigid structure, two compartments. Outside part is protective metal fit on the bottom, which is very nice. Pocket on the back side with closure. Inside part of this is, and this is how it looks like, guys, with the closure and everything. It's still easy access and really like it, but it's a bit heavier, this bag, as I'm saying. This is like 3-in-1 kind of bag. It's convertible into backpack, shoulder bag, crossbody bag, and yes, this is the certificate, the same as the Astria one, and it's a leather, same craftsmanship. And then this like a pebble one too, same with the other one that I didn't mention. It's a like pebble kind of leather, and this is really nice bag, but it's for me it's a bit heavier. And then it comes with the closure, post lock flap, zip closure too, and two detachable and adjustable leather shoulder straps. Inside zip pocket, and with the outside zip compartment too, which is very nice, and two pockets in the inside. And then it's leather adjustable handle, as I'm saying, with the came with the dust bag. So that's the look of the back of the bag, and then the bottom, and then there's the feet that is very nice, and the handle for the backpack. Like you can put your straps there to use as a backpack. And that's the zipper, very nice and easy, very soft leather too, and really nice. Everything is very nice in this bag. Only I complain it's a bit heavier, as I'm saying. And yes, very good. See, and there's adjustable too. You can remove the handle if you want it more shorter, and really good. It's a simple Tuscany leather in the bag there, in the like post clock flaps. And it's the same thing, polyester inside the bag, which is easy to clean. And let's open it, just twist it, and it's ready to go. See, inside is have a closure too, which is very safe. And there's the divider inside, and included with the two handle straps for use as a backpack. And it's very nice and easy to wear. And that's a buckle with a brand logo. And yeah, and let's check it out. So there's two compartments and zipper inside, which is very nice to put your passport there for safety, or even in the back or outside in the bag. And it's still the same polyester inside, which is very good to clean, I mean very easy to clean. And yeah, that's how it look like, guys, inside. There's a lot of compartment there. There's a zipper inside, and there's same thing there. It's a leather, and it's the pocket side too. And yeah, see, leather, Tuscany leather, handmade in Italy. Very nice. So that's how it looked like with the Celine bag. And let's compare with both of the bag that I got. Let's compare them, how big are they or how small, like, you know, the sizes. See, it's really big, the other one. It's good for work. You can put your iPad. In the other one, that you can put a lots of stuff in the Celine one than the small one with the Astria. So that's how it looked like, guys, with both of my bags that I got. But sorry to say, I returned the bag. Even I paid for return, because you need to pay for return. That's the thing when you order in the outside of Canada. As you can see, you have to check all the sizes and everything. That's my mistake too. I thought this one is not too big, but it's really big, and I'm not using like kind of this one for my work, and it's a bit heavy for me too. So I keep only the Astria. So let's see and how it looks like. So we'll see, guys, how much I can put in this Tuscany leather bag from Domini Italian. So let's put it like the sunglass first. And you know that there's the pocket here inside too, and there's the Tuscany leather handmade bags. And then let's put the, I have iPhone 14 Pro Max, but this is the old one, but the same size. So just put it there. And perfume, small perfume, lip gloss, lipstick, hand sanitizer, and then my headset. So that's how it looks like inside. And my passport. The good thing on this bag is you can close it for safety, and in the zipper too there's a Tuscany leather. You can put it there. And the good thing of this bag, because they have the side pocket, then you can put your passport here. And it's very good, right? And then this one, you can just tuck it in. It's a bit tight now, but still you can close it and slide it. So yeah, that's how it looks like. So it's very nice, very handy. I know it's cheaper, but it's Italian made, and it's very nice, the material, very soft. And this one is heavy, the buckle. And this one I really like. It's very classic and very simple. So yeah, and this is the buckle that you can adjust to the holes. And I am very impressed with their like buckle, or how you call this one, like buckle stuff here. So they have this kind of logo. So yes, guys, so hopefully you like and helpful for you. This bag is very simple, very classic, and it's not too expensive that it will break your bank. And it's very nice here, and it's no brand logo name. So, and there is only here Tuscany leather, and it's very nice and simple, guys, and classic, that we can wear it in the long run. So yeah, so thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye. Hope this video is helpful for you.